Coming to the second tool in these 7 basic quality tools is cause and effect diagram. This particular tool is known by a few other names as well. One of the name of this particular tool is Fishbone diagram. Fishbone diagram because the look of this is some type of a fish which has a head which has fins. So it's called as Fishbone diagram. This is also known as Ishikawa diagram because Ishikawa was the one who proposed this diagram, this tool. So this is also known as Ishikawa diagram. So if you hear the name Ishikawa diagram, Fishbone diagram, cause and effect diagram, it all means the same. So what does this do? So this tool basically displays the relationship between cause and effect. So if you have a problem, your problem is a effect. If you have a loose cap in the bottles, which we talked earlier, then loose cap is an effect. And what is the cause of that? We look at number of causes related to that particular problem, that particular effect, and that we draw on a fishbone diagram or a cause and effect diagram. So the head of the fish will be the effect, the problem, whatever problem we are having, and in that you will have number of branches which will be showing that what are the causes of that. So what we do is we do brainstorming, we look at number of causes, what could have caused that particular problem. So by brainstorming you make a big list of causes, and then looking at causes you can decide that which of these could be the real cause. Because in any quality problem your intent is to find out the root cause of the problem. If you find out the root cause, you eliminate that, your problem will be gone forever. So that's how we use this tool, which is cause and effect diagram. And let's look at this slide. What it says is that why do we need that? We need this to identify various causes. We talked about that. And this helps a group reaching a common understanding of the problem. And we talked about that as well, that for finding out the causes, we have a group, we do brainstorming, we look at various causes, and with that we come up with the cause and effect diagram, or let's call that as a fishbone diagram or Ishikawa diagram. How does this look like? Let's move on to the next slide and see a cause and effect diagram. And that cause and effect diagram is a very generic cause and effect diagram for quality problem, any quality problem. Let's look at that on the next slide.